Welcome to Animal Films Monster Zoo. Today you will be entering our feathers and fur zone.
Fur and feathers first. Okay, let's go see Barnabas.
Welcome everyone. Today we have a very special treat. These are the newest additions to the family, our baby furry T-Rexes. As you can see on the sign, this is the T-Rex enclosure. We are here to see Barnabas, the large purple T-Rex I was telling you about. As you can see, Barnabas here isn't your typical T-Rex. The purple fur is completely unique to this subspecies, the Violatus. All right, ahead is Pebbles. If he's in a good mood, we'll be following him up to the big guy, Rocky. Oh. Pebbles says you're all right. All right, the big guy up there is Rocky. He likes long walks in the mud. He will be our guide up to Volcanic Point. Monster Zoo was incredible. If you enjoyed exploring with me, make sure to subscribe for more. And don't miss our next adventure.